When it comes to cooking, being able to cook a great steak is a nice skill to have. And today I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect steak every time. We're going to start by taking the steak out of the fridge 1 to 2 hours prior to cooking it to allow it to get to room temperature. I'm pre-seasoning mine with salt, pepper, chili powder, and granulated garlic. You want to make sure to really press it into the meat so it stays. You can use a different variation of seasoning or rub if you prefer, but you need to make sure to at least salt it no less than 40 minutes prior to cooking, preferably longer. I'm using my Weber grill for my steaks, but this technique will work just as well on the stovetop and oven or other grills. Make sure you get a solid hot spot on the grill, or if using the stovetop, preheat a frying pan to high heat. You want to have a heavy sizzle when putting the meat on. Pre-salting the steak will remove excess moisture and actually has a reaction with the proteins of the steak, ultimately giving you way more flavor in the end. Check out the description below for more detail on the pre-salting. Sear both sides of the steak for about 1 minute per side to create a nice crust on the outside. You're going for a dark brown color, but if you have a few spots that seem slightly burnt, it'll be fine. This is where a lot of the flavor will come from. When the crust is the color you're looking for, pull it off the heat and put a lid on the barbecue to cook for about 10 minutes on indirect heat. The goal is around 400 degrees inside the barbecue, or until the internal temperature is 120 degrees for rare. Once you hit your desired internal temperature, remove the steaks from the heat and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting into the meat. Now you're ready to eat. I hope you enjoy your steaks, and comment below if you have a favorite pre-mixed steak rub or seasoning that you prefer. Also, let me know what else you'd like to see me cook on my channel. Thanks for watching.